an appliance expert has shared some cleaning tips for your washing machine that can help keep mold at bay and bills down. It is one of the most used appliances in UK homes, but the washing machine often gets left off the list when it comes to cleaning chores. In fact, 1 in 10 British households say they have never cleaned theirs, according to RGB Direct. Its purpose is to banish dirt from clothes, and the large device is packed with hidden areas that can harbour mold, grime, hair and old detergent. As such, it can be thought of as an appliance that doesn't need cleaning itself, but this is not true. Not only can an unclean washing machine impact your clothes, thanks to mold buildup, it also stops it from working efficiently and guzzles up energy. To keep costs down and your clothes truly dirt-free, you should be cleaning your washing machine at least once every 3 months to keep it ticking over. If you're not sure where to start, read below to learn which parts of the washing machine need regular cleaning and how to tackle each one, according to RGB Direct. How to clean your washing machine in 6 steps. 1. Clean the detergent dispenser. Remove the drawer from your washing machine. Wash it thoroughly with warm soapy water, using a sponge to remove any residue or buildup. Rinse it well and dry it before reinserting it into the machine. 2. Clean a drum. Mix equal parts of white vinegar with equal parts of baking soda, about 1/4 cup. Pour the mixture directly into the drum. Run a hot water cycle on your washing machine, using the longest and hottest setting available. The vinegar and baking soda will help remove any residue, odors, and mildew. 3. Clean the door and seal. Wipe the door and rubber seal with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or residue. Pay attention to the folds and crevices where mold and mildew can accumulate. 4. Clean the filter. Some washing machines have a filter that traps lint, debris, and small objects. Consult your manual to locate the filter and remove it according to the instructions provided. Clean the filter under running water or with a soft brush to remove any debris. Once clean, reinsert the filter into the machine. 5. Run a rinse cycle. After completing the cleaning process, run an empty rinse cycle on your washing machine using hot water. This will help flush out any remaining cleaning agents and ensure the machine is clean. 6. Leave the door open after each use. Leave the washing machine door open for some time to allow air circulation and prevent the growth of mold and mildew. Newsletter here.